Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tanya from her workshop. In today's video, which is part 2 of this kitchen island, I'm going to show you all the things I had to do to fill in the skeleton from the first video. So what I want y'all to do is watch, and then we're going to walk around and we're going to talk about this thing and some of the troubles that it has given me, some of the cleanup of my messes that I had to do, and then some of the stuff that's still left to do, hence the sticky notes. All right, y'all, so watch and then we'll talk. All right, y'all, let's make us a big drawer for this compartment. All right, y'all, got a couple extra pieces of Baltic birch plywood, and that's what we're gonna make some drawers. They're gonna be kind of weird looking because one side is longer than the other, but they'll be the same length. All right, y'all, now it's time to finally make some frames. These will be the drawer faces, but I need to make some frames to pull them out so that they'll line up evenly with the outer part of the frame. Then I'll have to do some cutting and adjustments to put across this. It's going to attach to that bottom drawer right here, but I'll have some kind of way to connect it so that I can open both of them at the same time or just one at a time. All right, y'all, so before I can put the drawers in and put the faces on it, what I need to do is attach this countertop. So the way we're going to attach this countertop is I have several different sizes of angle brackets, and we're going to go underneath and just attach that so that it can be stable. All right, y'all, we got our frames for the drawers cut using 1x4s, and we're going to put them together using the pocket hole jig system and a little bit of glue. Now I have a variety of screws here because I ran out of pocket hole screws, so we're just going to make do with what we got. How about that, people? All right, people, we got our 3 frames together. Let's start putting them up. All right, y'all, I'm just going to show you how to put one of these drawer fronts and faces on, okay? Now, I'm trying to make sure I have enough room on the edge for expansion and contraction, and it won't get hung up over there. Handy dandy clamp. And to make sure that your screw doesn't go through the other side, an easy way to measure it is to just put it on top of your work. Take into account your countersink, and you will always be okay. Now, another way that I have done my drawers is I actually put this on the inside of it like that. But I'm doing it a different way this time. Nothing's rubbing on the sides here. I know that kind of looks all jacked up, y'all. All right. And I'm using these because the rest of the outside is covered with this. And so I said, well, hey, let me keep the theme going. Now I do want this to be level with this because when I put my top one on, I don't want them brushing up against each other. Check the operation. I need to bring this side up a little teeny tiny bit. Now I'm just going to tack in a few places until I get the top drawer in and that spacing correct. Alright, let's see what we got here. Perfect. Alright people, we're just getting our measurement for our back countertop. Just gonna do a little painting now, y'all, since we got everything put up. Painted that side, so we're gonna do this side. And this is a bright white. I'm just putting a light coat on here because I need to brighten it up in here. And this seems to be able to do it. Can you tell the difference already? And these were some of the worst panels I think I could find. They were jacked up. But we're going to make them nice and pretty. And God knows I'm not going to bore y'all with all of this. You're just getting to see a little teeny bit. It's just a light coat. It has primer in it. And of course I got it at one of the big box stores. Hey y'all, these are the stools that I've had for 200 years or more. And what I'm going to do is cut them off probably about 3-4 inches. And that's what we're going to use for the kitchen island. Alright y'all, I want to cut these stool legs down a few inches. And the best way I know to do that is put this 2x4 here, and I'll mark it, and then I'll cut it at that angle. All right, y'all, we got a little wobble there, but I think I can fix it. I'm gonna take a little bit off of this one right here. Before and after. I still gotta finish doing this one. There we go, folks. The stools for our kitchen island. I cut off about 3.5 inches, and I tested them and they fit perfect. Sanded them down. I'm just gonna let them rest for a little bit. Then I'll wipe them down, let them dry, and we'll put a coat of paint on them. All right, y'all, so it's time to now put this end cap strip on here with the iron. All right, y'all, so this is the end cap kit. It has a build-up set of strips right here, and that's what I use to fill in this gap right here. Attach it to the countertop. All right, y'all, let's just start with this stool since it's right here. All right, so I still need to paint and then sand off the paint to kind of make it look old, I reckon. And then down here, what we have is fix the rocking. It doesn't do it so bad because I got some thick felt pads on it, but I need to cut at least 2 of those legs so that they'll be level and even. Right here, I need to make a border. Oh, my supplies that I wanted did not come in like I expected them to. This is just some MDF with some laminate on top of it, and I don't like it as the countertop, but this is all I had at this moment, and it kind of works. And I know in the video I didn't really show y'all how I put that on, but we do have some good bracing on there. It's rock solid. Yeah, fix this too. All right, now I did have to give myself a little boost. Says you got this, but then fix this. Meaning, this is the edge of the countertop. And what I want to do is make a little space in here to hold stuff such as like your cell phone or whatever. Oh yeah, before I forget, I gotta let y'all see that there are some little secret compartments under here, and that's why I didn't really finish that off, so you can hide some stuff. And of course, you know I love my tools, so I'm gonna always have some tools stuck somewhere. Yeah, that's me. But if the person who's sitting here wants to put away their phone or something like that, or if they need a little extra light, let's see if I can get it. I did kind of practice this. Yeah, get a little extra light in there. All right. Now, moving around right here. This is out of square. I have no idea, but if you stand here and you look at it, it's kind of bowed out. Maybe y'all can't tell, but I can tell. And I need to fix this. Now, if this was for a customer, of course I would take it all down and fix it. But since it's in my house and I know the ins and outs of it, we're just gonna leave it like that. Now, as you can see, I did put this border on there, right? Well, look over here. I still need to file this one down and the one on the other side. I started it, but y'all, that is kind of tough to do. I'm not scared of hard work, but I got tired, so I went and sat down. All right. That is to y'all. I do love y'all, every single one of you. All right. Right here, I got this knob sitting on that line right there, and I need to raise that up. Over here, this long drawer kind of sticks right in there, so I need to shave that and fix that. And then also, I've got to go through and paint all of my little nail holes and everything. So yeah, I still got quite a bit of work to do, y'all, but I'm excited. I'm happy. We're using this thing already. It's making a difference. I had the tallest child sit on the stools at this point right here, and he said it was fine. His knees didn't get jammed up in there or anything. Now right here, y'all, remember I told y'all, see, I made that one big drawer. But then I also have a smaller drawer up here. And so what I plan to do at some point is put a little hook or something so that if I want to open both of them at the same time, I can. Or just open one at a time. All right, and so we got some painting to do and some more filling in with all this wood and everything. But I just wanted to give y'all an update on this second video, and I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you. Take care. See you on the next one. Oh, and also down in the comments, let me know what you think. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. Give me some suggestions on how I need to do some of the other stuff. Be blessed, y'all. And it's all gonna work out. Love you.